Apple Watch Series 7 is expected to be available later this year, and the leak of Apple's new smartwatch gives us the idea of looking forward to it. With this in mind, we decided to combine our knowledge of Apple Watch Series 7. Since its establishment, Apple Watch has dominated the field of high-end smartwatches. The main competitor Samsung has some competition in its Galaxy Watch series. However, Galaxy Watch still need more iterations to keep up with Apple's leading position. Imagine we have seen the 6th generation of Apple's watch, and now Apple is preparing for the 7th generation. Due to frequent leaks, we found a lot of information in the past. Another new leak confirmed occurred in this sequence. Let us have an exclusive look at the Apple's Watch Series 7. The leak indicates that the next generation Apple Watch will have flat edge and new green color. We also learned that Apple Watch series will include functions such as blood glucose monitoring, swimming tracking, alcohol monitoring, etc. We are only the few weeks away from the WWDC 2021, and we hope that Apple can be inspired by this. With this in mind, let's talk about our understanding of Apple Watch Series 7 specifications. In the past, we did not have clear idea about design of the next Apple Watch, but now from the source like John Prosser, the design of the latest version of Apple Watch Series 7 was shown on the YouTube channel for the first time. As we have seen, the Apple Watch Series 7 has flat screen. However, the overall design has not changed. According to Prosser, in the next iterations, the bezels may become smaller and it expected to provide some new color options for the first smartwatches. Some reports claim that next generation of Apple Watch will provide blood glucose monitoring. Apple also released a poll asking people about their health monitoring habits, including whether they are use drugs and blood sugar monitoring app. Apple Watch Series 7 should also have a miniature LED display. The function should have appeared in the current iterations, but it did not appear, so we assume that it will appear in the next model. The pattern indicates that the Apple smartwatches may require major battery upgrade, and the pattern also suggests that the battery can be inserted into the bracelet itself, thereby doubling the battery life of the smartwatch in order to obtain Apple Watch Series 7. Apple also obtained a patent application thanks to its built-in blood pressure monitoring function, including correction factor, which makes it a leader in health monitoring. It is speculated that one of the Apple's future smartwatches will be more precise. Another patent describes how future Apple smartwatches will use their battery as a tactic feedback mechanism.